Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Open your SST's book, page number 7. World climate. Weather is the day-to-day condition of the heat, cold, humidity, cloudiness, dryness, or rain in any place. Climate is the weather condition in an area over a long period of time. The climate is different in different places of the earth is not the same. A place close to the North Pole or South Pole is very cold throughout the year. A place close to the equator usually very hot throughout the year. Okay, effects of climate. Climate has a great effect on the people and the way they live. Climate also has effect on the clothes we wear, the food we eat, and the way we spend our leisure time. In the warm climate, people can take part in outdoor and water sports. In cold climate, people can still take part in outdoor sports, but they mostly prefer to stay indoors and enjoy indoor games. Page number 8. In some parts of the world where there is a lot of rainfall and many trees, people use wood to make their house. Some crops grow well in the cold climate, while other will grow in a warm climate. For example, wheat grows well in the milder climate and rice grows well in the warm, wet tropical climate. These two grains are the most important food of the people in different parts of the world. The food habits of people depend on the crops that they grow locally. उसके बाद हमारे पास टेम्परेचर है. The world map shows the major climate zone of the world. On this map you can see the special lines at latitude, north and south of the equator. These are the Arctic circle 66.5 degree Newton north and the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north. In Antarctica circle 66.5 degree south and the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 south. These lines are helpful in making the major climatic zone of the world: the polar region, the temperature region, the tropical region, and the equator region. We use the world region to describe an area of the world that the specific features. Unlike countries, geographic regions do not always have fixed boundaries. For example, the regions listed above go across a number of countries and in some cases continents. पेज नंबर 9 हमारे पास है क्लाइमेट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. पाकिस्तान लाइज जस्ट ऑन द नॉर्थ ऑफ द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ द कैंसर. द कंट्री कवर्स a long stretch of land and the climate in one place is quite different from that in other. The hottest month is usually June. The average temperature and the total annual rainfall for a few cities are given below. जैसे कि आपको पैराग्राफ में जो है ये एक टेबल दिया गया है जिसमें जैकबाबाद में 15.1, 36.9 एंड 10.4 ये एनुअल रेनफॉल और एवरेज टेम्परेचर जो है वो बताया गया है. नेक्स्ट हमारे पास है द फिगर गिवन इन द टेबल्स आर एवरेज टेम्परेचर. सम प्लेसेस हैव वेरी सिवियर विंटर एंड टेम्परेचर कैन ड्रॉप वेरी लो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टेम्परेचर इन कोयटा हैज़ बीन एज लो एज -16 degree C in winters. Temperature in the summer can also be well above the average. Jacobabad once recorded a temperature of 53 degrees C, and many weather stations have recorded temperatures above 49 degrees. Page 10 to get a good picture of the climate of a place. We also have studied the amount of rainfall, the direction and the frequency of the wind, the amount of water vapors, humidity in the air, and the factors. The climate is influenced by many things. Hills or mountains can stop rains from falling. In some places, strong winds can bring rain clouds to some areas. High up in the mountain, it is very cold, so even a place close to the equator can be cold if it is in the mountains. Okay, climate change is a change in the climate patterns of a region or on a global scale. From the mid of the late 20th century onward, the increased level of carbon dioxide in an atmosphere have caused a rise in the temperature on Earth. The impact of climate changes is becoming evident around the world. as use of fossil fuels has been the main contributor to climate change. Agriculture and deforestation and the manufactures of cement, chemicals, and metals are also contributing to the increase in greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases affect the greenhouse gases allow sunlight to pass through the atmosphere and reach to the Earth's surface. Some of the sunlight is captured to the heat on Earth. Some of it goes back towards space. This trapping to the heat inside the atmosphere is called the greenhouse effect. When these greenhouse gases are kept in the right amount, they trap just enough heat to keep the Earth warm for life to survive. Without greenhouse gases, the Earth would be very chilly, with temperature falling to minus 17 degrees. Effect of greenhouse gases on climate. Changing in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere can lead to the warming or cooling of climate system. Increase in the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere increases the greenhouse effect, which is creating global warming and bringing about the climate changes. ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट की वजह से जो हमारे क्लाइमेट पे बहुत असर होता है, इसमें हमारे पास क्लाइमेट चेंजेस अकर होती हैं. बर्निंग ऑफ फॉसिल फ्यूल्स ये एक बड़ा मसला है. जैसे कि पेट्रोलियम, कोल, नेचुरल गैसेस वगैरह को जो है हम प्रोड्यूस वो जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस करती हैं. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट रन्स पेट्रोल, कोल इज़ यूज टू energy resources in power plants. Similarly, factories and mills run fossil fuels, release carbon dioxide to other greenhouse gases due to rapid industrial development all around the world. More vehicles are being added on roads and more industries are being set up. As a result, the amount of carbon dioxide in the air is increased. आगे हमारे पास है डिफॉरेस्टेशन एंड अदर रीजन फॉर द इंक्रीज ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर इज दैट द नंबर ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन द अर्थ इज डिक्रीजिंग. More and more trees are being cut down to make the space for agriculture, house and factories. Trees act as the lungs of the earth. They take the carbon dioxide and release oxygen in the air. This way the air gets purified. Since there are not as many as many trees to do this for us, carbon dioxide is getting added to the atmosphere and not being replaced with oxygen. Ways you can help reduce the effects of climate changes. Number one, be energy efficient. Use less electricity. Turn off the lights when nobody is in the room. Use energy efficient lighting. Number two, save water by turning off taps when not in use. Number three, completely turn off electrical appliances such as computer and television when you are not in use. Number four, plant more trees because trees absorb carbon dioxide. Walk or use a bicycle rather than traveling in vehicles whenever you can. Dry clothes under sun instead of using the clothes dryer. Recycle paper, metal, glass or some plastics being recycled. Do not just bin it. Buy less plastic when photocopying or printing. Use both sides of the paper. Wash clothes in cold or warm, not hot water. Use the minimum amount of destroyer for washing, detergents for washing, or more detergents means more rinsing. Be aware of what happens on your rubbish. Keep stuff out of landfill sites. Kitchen and garden waste can be composted,